Fix damaged PDF file online free. Your PDF won't open. You're seeing that dreaded error message saying the file is damaged, and you need that document right now. Good news. You can fix most corrupted PDFs online for free in under a minute. No software to download, no registration required. I'm going to show you exactly how. The 30-second fix. Before we use any tools, try this first. Open Google Chrome and drag your PDF file directly into the browser window. Chrome has a built-in PDF viewer that can often open files other readers reject. If it works, go to Print, choose Save as PDF, and save a fresh copy. That's it. Many so-called corrupted PDFs open just fine in Chrome. Best free tool, iLovePDF. If Chrome didn't work, go to ilovepdf.com/repair-pdf. This is my top recommendation for most people. Click Select PDF file or just drag your corrupted document onto the page. Wait a few seconds for the upload and repair process. Then click Download to get your fixed PDF. It's completely free, doesn't require registration, and handles most common types of PDF corruption. If iLovePDF doesn't work, different tools use different repair algorithms. If iLovePDF fails, try PDF2Go at pdf2go.com/repair-pdf. PDF2Go uses a different repair engine, so files that fail on one tool might succeed on the other. It also has a larger file size limit of 50 megabytes. For large files. If your PDF is really big, try Sejda at sejda.com/repair-pdf. It handles files up to 200 megabytes and documents up to 200 pages. You're limited to 3 repairs per hour on the free tier, but that's usually enough for most situations. For stubborn corruption. When the other tools fail, try Smallpdf at smallpdf.com/repair-pdf. It uses a different repair algorithm that sometimes succeeds when others don't. You only get 2 free repairs per day, so save this one for the difficult cases. What if nothing works? If online tools can't fix your PDF, the corruption might be severe. You have a few options. First, try to re-download the original file. About 40% of corrupted PDFs are just incomplete downloads. Second, try opening it in different PDF readers. Sometimes the file isn't actually broken. Your reader just can't handle it. Third, for confidential files, use command line tools like Ghostscript that process files locally on your computer. Privacy note: online repair tools process your files on their servers. For sensitive documents like financial records or legal contracts, use local repair tools instead. Reputable services delete files within 1 to 2 hours, but for truly confidential content, don't upload it online. Recommended order. Here's my recommended approach. Start with the Chrome trick, it might just work. If not, try iLovePDF first, then PDF2Go if that fails, then Smallpdf for stubborn cases. Most corrupted PDFs get fixed by the first or second tool you try. Still, having problems. If you've tried everything and your PDF still won't open, sometimes you need expert help. Check the links in the description for live tech support. Drop a comment and let me know if one of these tools fixed your PDF. Subscribe for more tech solutions that actually work. I'll see you in the next one.